Hey guys, how to add quantity on eBay listing. So first of all, log into your account and then hit selling right here at the top and then hit list an item. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and slide to the left, and I'm gonna zoom in just to see. I'm gonna click the blue highlighted button right here, create listing. And then what you're gonna do, click the underline template or template. Okay, and then scroll a bit down. You're gonna find right here, simplify the way you list items. Just go ahead and hit create new template. Yeah, you're gonna add the template name, photo, the item title, country, region, and the unit quantity, of course. Let me close it right here. Scroll a little bit down, and of course, the format, we're gonna change it to buy it now. Okay, and from there you can add more than one you can add quantity, like you can add 1 or 5 or 4. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.